Decimals are numbers that go beyond the whole number, using a dot called a decimal point. They help us measure and represent values that are not whole, like 2.5, 3.75, or 7.25. Decimals are everywhere in daily life, in money, length, weight, and many measurements. If we divide one whole into 10 equal parts, each part is called a tenth, written as 0.1. If we divide one whole into 100 equal parts, each part is a hundredth, written as 0.01. Going even smaller, if we divide one whole into 1,000 equal parts, each part is a thousandth, written as 0.001. These are all part of the place value system, where the left side of the decimal point contains ones, tens, hundreds, and the right side contains tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and so on. For example, 4.372 means 4 ones, 3 tenths, 7 hundredths, and 2 thousandths. Decimals can be read and written in multiple ways. 3.056 is read as 3.056 and can also be expressed as a fraction, like 3056 divided by 1000. They are very useful in money. For example, 3 rupees and 25 paise means 3 rupees and 25 paise. They are also important in measurements, like 2.5 centimeters equal 25 millimeters or 1.75 meters equal 175 centimeters. Decimals can also be represented on a number line. The space between two whole numbers can be divided into 10 or more equal parts. For example, 2.4 lies between 2 and 3 at the fourth part. To compare decimals, we start with the whole number part, then tenths, then hundredths, and so on. For example, 4.37 is greater than 4.305 because, after comparing the tenths and hundredths, 37 is larger than 30. For addition and subtraction, decimals are aligned by their decimal points. For instance, 23.5 plus 7.45 equals 30.95, and 12.4 minus 6.7 equals 5.7. Word problems help us apply decimals in real life. For example, if a pencil is 2.7 centimeters and an eraser is 3.6 centimeters, together they measure 6.3 centimeters. If someone has 500 rupees and spends 237.75 rupees, they are left with 262.25 rupees. Decimals are everywhere, and mastering them helps us in daily life, whether it's money, measurements, or comparisons. Learning about tenths, hundredths, thousandths, place value, reading, writing, adding, subtracting, and applying decimals in problems will make math much easier and more precise.